Hi guys. Today we will explain how to link bank account with Revolut. This process is simple and easy. You don't have to tap anywhere. Just click on your profile icon, which is left right. And here, click on this option, which is called Account Detail. And here, click on this US dollar, and find this one Add Money directly from your bank. Once you find it, click on this option Add Money. And here, click on Change. Tap on this option, Connect New Bank Account. And tap on the last option, Confirm. Now tap on this option, Agree. And here, choose your bank which you want to connect. You can also search for your own bank like me. Once you find, enter the username and password, and then click on Submit. And here you have to verify your identity. You can confirm your identity through text or with phone call and also with email. It's up to you. Just like me, I will select a text. And here, once they will send a verification codes. You have to enter that code after entering the code. Click on the option Submit, and you can see your account has been successfully linked with Revolut application. It was the primary way by which you can do it quickly.